Hey tubers, today I've got a little Nissan Qashqai in. It's the J11 variety with the 1.6 DCI engine. And today we're going to go through how to replace the fuel filter. Hope you enjoy the video. So, this is where it is. If you're standing in front of the vehicle, it's on the left. First thing we need to do is remove the cage around it. So it looks like we have one bolt and two nuts. They're 13s. Now we can take the cage off the top, and we have a 10mm bolt here. Now what I usually do is I'll undo that before I take off these pipes. I have given it a blow off with the airline, but we live in a very dusty part of the world. This electrical connector, basically, it's just push the little tang at the back and slide out. And we have a little 10mm. So I'll get that one with quarter drive, hopefully. I mean, if you want to make it really easy, you can just take it off and do it on the bench, but I think there's a lot in the time it takes, to be fair. So that's that little 10mm bolt out. How are we doing there? And now the actual connectors are really easy. Let's get this one out of the way first. Two white little tabs, squeeze both sides, pull out. Little rag under there to soak up the mess. The other one is easy if you've got really little fingers. Sometimes use a so you can get a screwdriver in this side, push the white tab, push the other one with your fingers, pull out. Now they're both off. You're going to have a little bit of diesel spillage, but nothing crazy. And that's your old filter out. Your new ones go in, exactly the same. Slide it in. Take off the two seals. One clicked home nice, two clicked home nice. Put the electrical connector on. Put that 10mm bolt back in. Start a couple of threads in there, again. Get that up with the quarter drive. Now with these it's quite good because they've got a lift pump in the tank, so it makes life a lot easier. You can prime it on the scan tool, but I'll show you how to do it manually in case you're doing this at home. So you don't have access to the tools. Put that cage over the top now. The bulb goes in the middle. 2 nuts. Now I need to prime the pump, so we can do that. Just turn the ignition on and off a few times. Right, so we're in the car now, so what we need to do is turn it on and off a few times. Just once. Don't know if you can hear the pump priming in the back. It's twice. It's still priming. You probably can't hear it, but I can. Can't turn this circle. That's better. Don't know if you can hear that priming. Do it again. We do it once more for good luck. Let's see if it starts and stays running. So I'm going to just bring it up to just about 2,000 revs. Let it sit there for a minute. If I can hold it at 2,000-ish. And now we go around the front, make sure there aren't any nasty leaks. So just check for leaks around these connections here. As simple as that. That's just a short video on showing how easy it is to change the fuel filter on a Qashqai J11. It's a 1.6 diesel variety. Yeah, pretty straightforward job. Just take your time. Be careful when you're disconnecting and connecting up the pipes to the filter. Yeah, easy, straightforward job. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out, and please leave comments and questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.